Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can tell by the title, I just bought a new, well, not new to me, new to you guys, 2015 BMW M4, and this video starts the series of me rebuilding it. Stay tuned. Before we start this video, I just want to make sure that everyone who's watching this, I want you guys to hit the subscribe button and follow me throughout this entire build. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You guys will not be disappointed. I am going to be building this car. It's going to be A1 when I'm done. As you guys can tell by the title, I just bought a 2015 BMW M4, and it's not really wrecked, but it was an accident and it needs work. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the car and start tearing it up and showing you guys everything that the vehicle actually needs. So stay tuned. It's a BMW M4. Now obviously it's not brand new from the dealership. It does need some work. I bought it off the auction. It's a 2015 BMW M4 and it has 37,000 miles. 37,988 miles. And this car, I ran the Carfax. Apparently the guy, I'm pretty sure he just put it in a ditch. If I could remember right. So all the work that it needs is obviously the front end. So it basically is gonna need a new bumper, grills. I'm pretty sure the whole cooling system is messed up. The lights luckily are still perfect. Hood's perfect. Passenger side fender's perfect. Wheels good. This whole side is good except the mirror right here. The whole assembly's missing. Windshield's broken. Roof, something fell on the roof. Carbon fiber roof. That's messed up. So I'm gonna need to change out the roof and the rear window with the rear window frame. There's slight damage right here on the quarter panel, the pillar up here. And then one of the suspension arms is dented or something because the wheel goes in. Everything's perfect in the back. On this side everything's good. There's a slight little dent right here. I'm pretty sure that can get pulled. Driver's side fender is gonna have to get replaced, and the door right here has a little bit of damage, but I'm pretty sure this can get fixed. The mirror needs a new mirror too, and this is the damage in the top of the door. I mean the top of the roof. If we go inside, super nice. The only airbags that deployed was obviously the current ones. It's DCT. It has a dual clutch transmission. It was super. I kept trying to find a manual, but it was super hard for me to find a manual one at an auction. So I ended up just going with a DCT. A DCT is theoretically faster than a manual anyways. Let me pop the hood for you guys. This guy, the guy that owned this before me, I'm pretty sure he had a JB4 in the car, and because so the JB4 goes over here, and I found all the wiring and everything. I removed it already, He put air intakes in the car. That's expensive already, just that. I looked up the history of the car. He kept everything up to maintenance, everything should be good with the car maintenance wise. So yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys the M4 that I just bought, and I'm very excited to start tearing this car down and rebuilding it from basically nothing, and I'm super excited to show you guys how this car turns out. And I still haven't started it. Actually the list at the auction said that the car did not start, but I'm 100% sure that it's because these cars, when the airbags deploy on these cars or they get into an accident, there's a failsafe in the battery which disconnects the battery from the entire car. So I'm just gonna have to replace the little battery cable with the sensor, and then I'm 100% sure this car will start. So I'm not even worried about that, but let's keep our fingers crossed on that. Hopefully it'll start and it'll run and drive perfectly fine. Right now I'm just gonna start tearing the car up, and we'll see what more damages we find. Hopefully not that much, but we'll see. I want all of you guys to subscribe right now for this build, and appreciate everyone supporting me and everything, and let's go ahead and build this car. Beautiful, beautiful BMW M4. Let's get it.